So what we're going to do is convert a binary number this time into a decimal number. Now we need the grid, the place ordered grid. That's really important. That's really your first step before you attempt to answer this question. The binary number that we're going to be converting is 10101010. So let's get started with the grid. So put down your powers first. So 2, whoops, let me get a pen. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7. Now I've stopped at 7 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 place order columns, and my number has got 8 digits in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's more than enough for me. Now I always, let me change my pen a wee bit here. So I want to make it quite small, but I do want it to be legible, so I'll do blue. I always put in the binary, the decimal equivalent. So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2, as you know, is the same as 2 times 2, which is the 4's column. 2 to the power 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, which is the 8, so that's the 8's column. 2 to the power 4 is the 16's, 2 to the power 5 is 32's column, 2 to the power 6 is the 64's column, and 2 to the power 7 is the 128's column. Let's put in some lines just to help organise this, keep us in the correct place order column. Next thing we want to do is, now that we've got the grid sorted out, we want to actually put in the binary number into, this is the important part, putting it into the correct place order column. So my suggestion is that you start from the right hand side, the smallest unit of the number, and then work your way up to the largest. So we're starting with this first digit here, which is a 0. Let me change my pen colour to make this a bit more legible for you, and I want to change it to the smallest one. So we'll put in a 0. The next number, the next digit is a 1, so that goes into the 2's column. The next one is a 0, it goes into the 4's. The next one in order is a 1, so it goes into the 8's. Next one is a 0. Next one is a 1. Next one is a 0. And the next one is a 1. Now if you follow those steps, if you make yourself underline each digit as you're using it, and then you put it into the correct column, everything should be plain sailing from now. So the next step is to add up the values in the place order columns that have actually been used. So if there is a 1 in the column, that means that value has been used. So we can see here the 128's column has been used, so let's put that in there, 128. The 64 column hasn't been used, so we'll not use it. The 32 column has, so we'll put a 32 in here. 16 hasn't been used, and 8 has been used, and a 2 has been used. So this is a simple addition. So we've got 2 plus 8, 10, 12, 20. Put down your 2, put down your 0, carry your 2. 2, 4, 7, and a 1. So at the moment we've got 171. So the answer to this question is the binary number 10101010 is equal to, so that's base 2, is equal to 170 base 10.